Welcome to this course on Electric Assembly Tools Safety from Cleco Production Tools. Cleco Production Tools is a global leader in power tool solutions. Our expertise is a culmination of 120 plus years of delivering assembly, material removal, drilling, and riveting power tools and systems. Electric assembly tools are intended for tightening of threaded joints only and are suitable for industrial high-duty use. Tools must only be used for their designated purpose. When carefully and correctly performed, assembly applications with this product are a safe operation. If there is any doubt regarding the safe operation of electric assembly tools, consult Cleco Production Tools before implementation. This course is one of a series of safety training presentations for our products and is specific to electric assembly tool safety. It is recommended that you have viewed the general safety review before viewing this course. We will cover all aspects of electric assembly tool safety, including the types of tools available, proper installation and use including bits, sockets, and other accessories, while ensuring that the tools and accessories are properly maintained to sustain safety in the workplace. Safety begins with selecting the right tool for the application. There are two main types of electric assembly tool, corded and cordless, and each are available in a variety of configurations. Corded tools have a transducer to measure and record the torque while performing the assembly operation and are powered by a Cleco controller. Standard corded tools are available in right angle, inline, and pistol grip configurations to suit the application orientation. Special versions are also available for difficult access applications in crowfoot and tube nut styles. Cordless tools are easier for the operator to move around and eliminate the safety hazards associated with a tool cable. Cordless tools are also available with a transducer or a clutch, depending on the level of torque accuracy or class of the joint being assembled, and whether it is safety or quality critical. These tools too are available in right angle, inline, and pistol grip configurations. With both corded and cordless tools, the operator would generally need to hold the tool firmly and provide reaction against the fastener until torque is reached. There are recommended limits for the amount of torque an operator can hold based on the tool type, and this will be covered later. An alternative is to mount the tool in an arm or employ another torque reaction device, such as a reaction bar. Corded tools require a controller to provide the power and application parameter controls to the tool. On both corded and cordless tools, the controller is able to record the tightening results and communicate them to a manufacturer's network for quality control and record keeping. Specific safety instructions for installing the controllers are contained in the documentation supplied with the controller. The controller can also provide visual process instructions for an operator. If the screen display is important for the operator to view, the controller should be positioned at the correct height and in a position such that the operator does not need to stretch or strain to view. Additional accessories are also available, some of which will assist in the safer operation of the electric assembly tool. Torque arms and balancers for weight and torque reaction are covered later. Some tools have cover and add-on light options. Indicator lights and socket trays can help with the assembly process, simplifying this for the operator. For cordless tools, battery care and management of the charger is an additional important safety concern. The battery pack should never be opened. Cleco Production Tools supplies general safety instructions in the documentation supplied with each tool. Much of the content included in this course is taken from these instructions, which are available in multiple languages. The manual typically covers the installation, use, and maintenance of the power tool. It is important that anyone involved in this reads the manual, and that the manual is made available to anyone involved in these activities. Particularly, operators must read and understand the instructions before using the tools. The documentation supplied with the tool will cover the specific personal protective equipment, or PPE, that should be worn while operating the tool. This could be eye and ear protection, as well as gloves and other protective clothing. This should be part of the wider manufacturing safety review. Follow the installation manual. Corded electric tools and systems only operate on a grounded power supply. Do not switch on the controller until all connections have been made correctly. After powering a controller on, wait until the boot cycle is completed, approximately 60 seconds before powering it down again. Products will be marked with a voltage indicator where appropriate. Review specific instructions contained in the documentation supplied with the tool and available on our website, clecotools.com. Electric tools comply with the limits for a Class A digital device, pursuant to Part 15 of the FCC rules. These limits are designed to provide reasonable protection against harmful interference when the product is operated in a commercial environment. This product generates, uses, and can radiate radio frequency energy, and if not installed and used in accordance with the instruction manual, may cause harmful interference to radio communications. Operation of this product in a residential area is likely to cause harmful interference, in which case the user will be required to correct the interference at his own expense. Only qualified and trained personnel should install, adjust, or use this equipment. The work area must be clean, uncluttered, thoroughly ventilated, and well illuminated. Make sure the work environment is free of any flammable or combustible elements. Only use industrial-grade bits and sockets. Replace a worn or damaged socket or bit immediately to prevent breakage. Make certain the drive socket or bit is securely attached to the assembly tool before operating. Also available from Cleco Production Tools are Apex U-Guard covers. These allow the drive tool to spin freely inside of the covers, significantly reducing or eliminating contact from the rotating tool during a fastening operation, improving operator safety. In addition, these tools help minimize in-system damage and marring caused during fastening. Socket gap covers are also available and are specifically designed to eliminate the gap between a socket and an extension, or between a right-angle power tool and a socket or extension. Covering this gap prevents an operator's gloves or hair from being caught during fastening operations. Use of the free-spinning U-Guard socket gap covers can further enhance plant and operator safety by helping minimize fastening tool related injuries on the assembly line. Safety glasses or a face shield must be worn when operating these tools. Wear hearing protection and other protective equipment as required by the work environment and assembly application. If the work environment or assembly application requires the use of protective gloves, avoid contact with rotating parts of the tool. Do not wear loose clothing, jewelry or rings, and keep long hair away from the tool. Avoid direct skin contact with lubricants, grease or adhesives. Keep the tool clean and dry to provide the best possible grip. The tool should be held in such a way to assure safe and comfortable operation. Maintain a neutral position while operating this equipment. Use the tool at the designated grip points. Avoid excessive pressure when engaging the assembly application with the drive socket or bit rotating. Fully engage the drive socket or bit with the assembly application before starting the tool. Do not lay the tool down until the drive socket or bit has come to a complete stop. Make certain the tool has stopped before moving to a different location. For corded tools, never carry or drag the tool by grasping the tool cable. Power tools can vibrate during use. Vibration and repetitive motions may be harmful. Stop using this equipment immediately if you experience discomfort, a tingling sensation, or pain, and seek medical advice before resuming operation. Whenever possible, use a balancer or torque reaction arm. For corded tools, disconnect the tool from the cable or disconnect the power before contacting the rotating parts of the tool. For cordless tools, disconnect the battery before contacting the rotating parts of the tool. For electric assembly tools, the amount of torque the operator can hold will vary according to the joint type, tool dimensions, and position of the application relative to the operator. Use these values as guidelines, and wherever possible, employ a torque arm to reduce or eliminate the torque on an operator. Additional accessories can also be employed to enhance safety. A balancer can take the weight of the tool from the operator, reducing operator effort and enhancing safety. Torque arms, as well as taking the tool weight, can also reduce or eliminate the reaction torque to the operator. They also help align the tool during the fastening operation, helping engage the fastener quickly and easily. Some electric assembly tools allow a torque reaction bar to be mounted. These must be configured to react against a fixed object in the assembly process. The arm should be moved to be touching the object it is going to react against before starting the tool. It must also be remembered that if the fastener needs to be loosened, the reaction bar will need to react in the opposite direction. Torque reaction bars are recommended to prevent torque being transferred to an operator, but care must be taken with their use. The operator should not touch the reaction bar while the tool is running. A daily checklist will ensure that safety is considered regularly and consciously in the manufacturing environment. Inspection of all phases of tool operation should include the cable and controller if present. Follow these steps to put safety first, and always refer to the tool service manual for more specific information regarding the tool models being used. If maintenance is required, please return to an authorized Cleco Production Tools Service Center. Thank you for taking the time to review this safety video focused on electric assembly tools from Cleco Production Tools. We will leave you with the following takeaways concerning the safe installation, use, and maintenance of our tools. Please review these and ensure you always put safety first.